Hello students, welcome back to your very own YouTube channel MP Middle School. In today's video we are going to study about tracing changes through 1000 years. This is the chapter 1 of history in your social science book. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Let us talk about new and old terminologies. Historical records exist in a variety of languages. The term Hindustan was coined by Minhaj-e-Siraj, a chronicler who wrote in Persian for areas around Punjab, Haryana, etc., and the lands between the Ganga and the Yamuna. Babur used Hindustan to describe the flora and fauna and the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. 14th century poet Amir Khusro used the word Hind to describe Hindustan. In India, the term Hindi and the term Pardesi was used to describe an alien person. In Persian, it was called as Ajnabi. Talking about the historians and their sources, historians used various sources to record the events of the past times. The information about the medieval period is derived from two sources, archaeological and literary. Archaeological sources available to us include monuments, temples, coins, tombs, ornaments and paintings. Since paper became available in good quantum, a lot of written accounts in the form of chronicles, autobiographies were available. Farmans and accounts of foreign travelers were available from this period in Persian and Arabic language. Religion was often closely associated with the social and economic organization of local communities. It was during this period that important changes occurred in religion. It included the worship of new deities, construction of temples by royalty, and the growing importance of Brahmanas in Hindu religion. Knowing of Sanskrit helped Brahmins to earn respect. Islam was patronized by many rulers. Let us see what are some of the important terms associated with this chapter. The first is cartographer. Cartographer means the artist who is skilled in drawing or making maps. Second, chronicler, the one who writes history or pens down the events of the time from the historical point of view. Talking about archives, it is a collection of historical documents or records of the government, a family, a place or an organization, the place where these records are stored. Manuscripts refer to the original script written by the author in his or her own handwriting. Habitat defines the living condition of a species. Some other important terms are patron. Patron means a person with influence and affluence who provides support with money and mental boost up to an artist, a craftsman, a learned man or a noble or some other persons of such categories. Jati refers to the subcaste which was defined or identified on the basis of one's profession, status and influence. Region refers to the particular area designated or occupied by a certain group or empire. The last word is periodization. It means the division of time into different segments for the purpose of study from the historical point of view. It was done on the basis of dominant factors of the time. In the middle of the 19th century, British historians divided the history of India into three periods: Hindu, Muslim and British. Related to this chapter that we have discussed in the video are clear to you. If you have any doubt, comment down below in the comment section and I will try to clear all your doubts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel MP Middle School. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.